I honestly didn't think it was going to get any easier to find profitable keywords on Amazon in 2025. This is insane. If you are a self-publisher and a Kindle publisher, an Amazon publisher, whatever you call yourself, and you want to make your keyword research faster and easier for 2025, check out this video. Look at this. Okay, so I already have Kip Scout downloaded and installed. If you don't have Kip Scout, make sure you just use the first link in the description of this video or pinned comment. You can go to the Chrome store, you can download it and install it completely for free. And if you want more information on what Kip Scout is, check out the other video that I did with it in the description as well. But let's dive into the keyword research right away. Let me show you how this new update works. It's insane. So bookstore, let's find it. All right, so for all my low content peeps out there, let's do a coloring book keyword. Let's try to pick something evergreen like food coloring book. We won't put for kids or anything, we'll just kind of keep it broad for right now for the video. But so food coloring book, I hit enter. Obviously I'm using incognito mode, US zip code, and I don't have a VPN on right now, but okay. So now I hit my little Kip icon and it brings up all the data here. But first, what I have to do is I need to go into my profitability criteria and I need to adjust it for coloring books. Now, what I have found works the best for coloring books is we're gonna do 50, maximum number of reviews to be included. I want 50. For maximum revenue, I only need the coloring books to be making at least $300. The whole idea behind this is because coloring books, you make a lot of them, so you do want the criteria to be a little lower. Minimum number of profitable books in the top search results. I just need two. Honestly, I just need 2 books to hit this criteria for me to jump on it. And we want to include the top 20, so that is the first page. Then I'm gonna go back to results, and automatically this changed, and now it says profitable. So what does that mean? It means that there are at least 2 books making over $300 a month with no more than 50 reviews. So I could publish a coloring book on food coloring book. I could publish a food coloring book, and I'd be good to go. And we can back it up by seeing it's green, Japanese food coloring books, food and snacks coloring books, right? And you see we're good to go. All right, now this is where things change. Okay, if I wanted to do some more keyword research around this keyword, right, I would open up a new tab, search bar, start guessing. Okay, or I could do it like this. Check this out. I can go over here and I can hit queries. Okay, so what's going to happen is I hit find, and Kip Scout is now going to bring up every single search result from the Amazon search bar that would normally auto-populate there. Okay, so that's the first cool thing. And then, okay, now it also is going to bring up the Rufus questions, and so you can like use those to maximize your listing for Rufus. I've maxed out my usage for Rufus, playing around with stuff, because since it's in beta, you only get so much Rufus. And so I've maxed it out, so it's not bringing those up right now. But if you want more info on Rufus and Cosmo, Amazon's new AI search algorithm, in 2025, we're gonna be talking a lot about that. So subscribe to the channel for that. But going back to this, check this out, okay? Let's find, okay, this Japanese food coloring book. So what I can do is, instead of typing that in a new tab and going through that process, I can just hit run check. And in the background, it's doing all of that for me automatically. Okay, so we just give it a second here. This is in real time. So, okay, boom. So now it's showing that Japanese food coloring book is profitable based on the same criteria of it has at least 2 books with less than 50 reviews, making at least $300 a month. The same criteria that I've entered before in the settings, it's gonna put it against this. Now, let's see if we can find one that hopefully isn't profitable, just so you can see there's gonna be differences and whatnot. But, just profitable, okay? And we can even go into like here, like, so if I just hold command and click on the keyword, it's gonna open up a new tab with the keyword in there. I can run Scout again, right? And I can see that it's hitting my criteria, it's profitable once again. And you know, if I wanted to, obviously you could do more research based on how you do your research, right? But yeah, so that's just so cool. I love it, okay? Now, if you found that cool, if you're excited about this, do me a favor, like the video, let me know. You can comment below, say what's up. But share this video. This is a free tool from Dibbly. It's out now. There are more and more updates and exciting things. I literally did a video like 4 days ago when this came out, and there was already a new feature, already a new update. So this, it's gonna be the keyword tool, your go-to tool for 2025. I can feel it. I'm excited. This is awesome. Anyways, everybody, my name's Emeka, in case you forgot, but make sure you stay tuned to the channel for more exciting things and more self-publishing profits. Till next time, everybody. Peace.